In the dynamic world of education, psychology and motivational techniques emerge as powerful catalysts, transforming the way knowledge is imparted and absorbed. One figurehead leading this transformation is Dr. Johnsey Thomas, a distinguished psychologist whose motivational workshops are arming educators with the tools they need to foster student success. When we talk of education, it isn't just about transmitting knowledge, it's about nurturing the holistic development of an individual. Dr. Thomas's workshops delve into the heart of psychology, unmasking the intricacies of the human mind. By offering educators a comprehensive understanding of cognitive processes, behavioral dynamics, and emotional triggers, these workshops empower them to customize their teaching methodologies, addressing the diverse needs of their students. At the core of Dr. Thomas's workshops is the realization that motivation is the fuel that drives educational success. Under his tutelage, educators learn how to foster an environment where motivation thrives. They learn to instill goal-setting techniques, nurture a growth mindset, and employ positive reinforcement strategies. This approach sparks motivation within their classrooms, propelling students towards academic excellence and personal growth. Dr. Thomas acknowledges that every student is unique, with their own strengths, weaknesses, and learning styles. By incorporating psychological principles into teaching practices, educators can create inclusive learning environments where every student feels valued and supported. This tailored approach not only boosts academic performance but also fosters a sense of belonging among students, paving the way for lifelong learning and success. What sets Dr. Thomas's workshops apart is their practicality. Far from being purely theoretical, these workshops equip educators with tangible tools and strategies that they can immediately apply in their classrooms. From mastering effective communication techniques to honing classroom management strategies, educators leave these workshops with the skills and confidence to navigate the complexities of modern education. The ripple effect of Dr. Thomas's workshop stretches beyond the classroom walls. By empowering educators to inspire and motivate their students, he's shaping the future of society. Today's motivated and engaged student is tomorrow's productive and empowered citizen, contributing positively to the societal fabric. In a nutshell, the amalgamation of psychology and motivational techniques in education is vital for nurturing student success. Dr. Johnsey Thomas's motivational workshops stand as a beacon of the transformative power of these approaches. By arming educators with a deep understanding of psychological principles and practical strategies, Dr. Thomas is revolutionizing education, one workshop at a time, lighting the path towards a brighter and more prosperous future.